Okay, so I've got the dial in. I want to just put in the rest of the buttons. So I'm just going to do that in the same way that I did the base part, by creating a new part within the assembly. So I'm going to go select model up here and then create, and I'm start with the crescent shaped one. Click OK, make sure create features is selected, and then click OK. Right, and then I'm going to use the extrude, and I'm going to select the face of the cube with the crescent shape on, and then I'm going to just put in some references. So I could use any of these edges as references, but I just need two that go that cross over. So I'm going to use that one and that one, but I could just as easily select this edge or this edge, but I don't need to for this. And I'm going to close, and then I'm going to use the project tool. I'm just going to project those two lines, middle click, say I'm happy with that. It's gone that sort of yellow colour to say that's all fine, and then I'm going to tick OK, rotate it so I can see what's happening. I want that button to be 10 mil, so I'm going to change that to 10, and then I also want the button to sort of go halfway in, so I'm going to change this setting here. If I use this drop down, and I can go to this one, which extrudes on both sides of the sketch plane by half. Okay, so that's now dropped in. I'm going to tick that, and I'm going to round off all of the edges on that. So I want to make those a little bit bigger. Actually, I'm going to make them 1 mil. And start that again. Right, so go round. So it's set at 1 mil from just a minute ago, and then I can just click on all of those edges to round them off. Okay, so that's that button done, and then I'm going to do, I'll just show you the circle one and the square one, pretty straightforward, exactly the same. I'll just show you this sort of more random shaped one. So I'm going to do, I need to reactivate the assembly, so I'm going to right click on there and activate, and then go to model, create, let's call it random, and click OK. Right, I must already have something, so I'll just call it random one, click OK, create features is selected, OK again. I'm going to extrude again onto this surface, and then I'm going to just project, set my references again, close, and then project these lines again. I just want to show you what sometimes happens which will stop it from working, and how you sort of troubleshoot that. So I've done that, and now if I middle click, it hasn't gone yellow. If I tick, it's giving me an error message saying it's incomplete section, and it tells you what is wrong down here. So it says cannot have more than one open loop. So it says, do you want to exit Sketcher? I don't. I want to carry on and fix it, so I select move, and if I zoom in, I can see where the problems are, where it's red, and what's happened is I've projected the wrong line, so it's not joining up. So I just need to select these lines and press delete on the keyboard, and they will delete, and then I need to just project the correct lines, and now it's got that yellow colour to tell me everything's good. I'm going to click OK, rotate so I can see what's happening, and I want it to go halfway in again, and I want it to be 10 mil again, so I'm just going to put 10 mil up here, but I could also do it there, middle click, and then tick, so I'm happy with that, and then I'm going to go around and round all these edges off as well. Right, so I'm going to carry on and do the other buttons without videoing it. But you can, on your one, you'll be able to do it, and it's just repeating the steps that I've just showed you on those last two buttons. So I'm going to tick that, and then I want to save it. I can't save at the moment because I need to activate the assembly, so I'm going to activate that, and then I'm able to save. Right, so then I'm going to just finish off those buttons, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to render it, so to make it look like the material and the colour that you want it to be.